Hello, this is Running Robert, and today we're going to be talking about the Elite Pharmaceuticals ELTP second quarter 2024 summary. Today is the 16th of November 2023. Elite has a weird calendar they follow, so this is technically the third quarter 2023 summary. And in the summary, we're going to be looking at the bullish and the bearish parts of this company. I generally follow small cap pharma, I do games, so if you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot, and thank you. Disclaimer is I do own stock. I bought it a little under 4 cents, so I am loving this action. I'm an amateur investor, and any advice given should be followed by your own due diligence, and any information given is valid for today, the 16th of November, and the slideshow will not be updated. As new news comes out, new slideshows. So, what happened? The lead had a record quarter of total revenues coming in at about around 14 million, and that is up from 9 million. The company also recorded a record net income from operations at a little under 2 million. However, the company did post a loss because of change in fair value warrants and stock-based liabilities. These are non-cash charges, so really, it's just a paper exercise, unfortunately, for that. And cash was 8.6 million, down slightly from 9, but that's mostly because of the growing business. They had a lot more account receivables and a lot more inventory, so cash was slightly down, but overall assets were up pretty well. So it was looking very positive looking at that. Hey, record quarter of revenue, great net income, and cash is still very healthy for the company. So the company summary itself, it has 10 plus approved generics, plus more coming, 3 at the moment. The company owns an oral solid dose facility in New Jersey. They have very minor debt and bond repayments. It's like under 2 million over 4 years. There was a little share dilution. The company has over 1 billion shares, so 5.4 million shares really aren't going to move that. The company has partnered some drugs, and they sell some under their Elite label or the Elite name. And the companies begin to target larger drugs for its generic. So the company used to be a niche generic manufacturer. That's how it got started. That's where they went from there. Um, Obviously, they've got Adderall and Adderall XR, and now they are kind of hungry for more. And those have done extremely well for it. So why is this company only 15 cents? So I've said a whole lot of positive things, but why are we still here? So share count is above 1 billion, and so the market cap is about 150 million. The company's only recently profitable, and there still are several challenges ahead, which we will go over. The company's currently selling some of its products under its own labels, and a majority of the sales come from the generic versions of Adderall and Adderall XR. So really the big point we're looking at is this company really was not a profitable company coming up, only within the last year has it, you know, been making maybe over 1 million in net profit per quarter. So again, it's very new for this. So, but what could go wrong? So a majority, like I said, a majority of its sales come from the generic versions of Adderall and Adderall XR. We see a stabilization in that market, it could spell trouble. And this is just simple math. Currently, there are more prescriptions than pills available, which means the company does not have to be competitive in this space. That is as simple as it gets. We still are going through an Adderall shortage. That does not look like it's going to change anytime soon, since it is a prescription that like needs a lot of authorization, and the companies can only get so much drug substance to actually produce it. So again, it's not something that a company can just scale up, or companies can just scale up. So again, we are going to continue to see this shortage probably for a while. One things that we will look at is when the shortage kind of comes to an end, is Elite able to be competitive in that space? And then most of the sales from this quarter will be because of the Elite label launch, and we could see a slowdown in the next quarter. So they started their launch in April. A lot of this was a stock up of stuff, so they pretty much sent stuff under their label to their distributors. So again, we'll see if they actually go through what they sent and how much more is going to be reordered. So we are looking at those two things. So the summary, so the company's still a penny stock. However, we are continuing to see this turnaround story. If we continue to see this kind of growth and stabilization, there would be a chance for a reverse split and being able to join a major market. And that's something that we're really looking for, and that's something that would help the stock price a lot. Obviously, if we're making $2, $3, $4 million of profit per quarter, there's a good chance that we're going to get up to that kind of ability to do a reverse split and get onto a market. However, based on current data, it would be wise to see the next quarter sales before making any significant investments. Again, for the reasons I said, there could be a stock up for here, and then we might see a slowdown in that next quarter. We will find out. However, I might personally add a small amount to my current investment depending on my circumstances. Obviously, if I see a chance where it does dip below for whatever reason, I might buy some more. So hopefully this helped get you some information about this penny stock and helped you make some wise investment decisions. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.